DevTrack auto-routing is one of DevTrack's features used for automation. By creating rules here, DevTrack is smart enough to automatically assign work items to the right owner. Auto-routing can be based on workload, skill level, or a formula. To create a rule, click on New Criteria and give it a name. Next, select a criteria. When done, add possible owners. And note that a round-robin approach will be used if the owners have the same skill level or workload. If no criteria has been met, you can default a work item to an owner. In this case, we have defaulted to a group folder. Default values can be used to indicate which default template to use during issue submission. You can enforce the user to always use the template defined at the project level or allow them to select their own template to use. When a template is used, all data from the template is copied over to the new issue. Issue level time tracking can be configured to support one or multiple time entries per task. We can also allow users to select from a category to enter time for and to track costs associated with time entry. The report general settings can be used to configure reports to be based on Crystal reports or DevTrack's native HTML reports. If Crystal reports are used, you can choose to import them. Lastly, DevTrack reports can be created based on a snapshot of data or dynamically generated. You can set reports to always be dynamic based on new data. DevTrack features robust integration with most popular version control systems out there. To enable version control integration, click on Change, click Enable, and select a version control system to integrate with. Once you have selected your version control system, a new settings page will appear where you can configure the integration. With status groups, you can define your own status group to include statuses you want in the group. This will allow users to filter based on a status group instead of individual statuses. Personal folders are folders that appear in the subproject tree that can contain shortcuts to work items elsewhere in the tree. Drag and drop these items into the personal folder and you won't have to search for them again.